This is the part that transfers the power from the axle shaft in the differential out to the hub, and thusly driving the front wheels. But the problem is the shaft that goes into these splines right here is bad, and it's like $2,600 to fix it. So I made these ones out of phenolic resin that I just happened to have on hand, and they say MAC on them there. Modeled that baby in Aspire, and there's so much you can do with CNC. The idea is to make a new hubcap cover for our boom truck, and so I made one on the CNC. It's a Mack truck, so I thought it was fitting to put that on there, and I needed 2 of them. So the movie that you saw is of the making of this one. I just have to clean it up a little bit with a file, and there's a shaft that runs the 4-wheel drive system, and it has to go inside that recess because the U-joint is bad. So had to make a new cap, and this is the way it'll work.